What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to withdraw money from Pocket Option to bank account. So you might be wondering how to exactly withdraw money here from your Pocket Option account. Well, this one is fairly easy, but there are a few things that you need to know here and you need to keep in mind. So first things first is you want to go to pocketoption.com and just log into your account. Now at the top right of your screen, you should see a profile icon. You want to go and just press on it or click on it. Now you want to go ahead and choose the option here that says withdrawal. Now, typically speaking, in your account here or in the withdrawal page, you should see this section here. So the thing withdrawals here, so the withdrawal process only becomes available after you actually deposit on your account. So in this case, typically the withdrawal request is processed automatically and takes a few minutes. But in this case, if you do meet the following criteria here, in this case, the withdrawal, you've already deposited something into your account here, and you also meet the minimum withdrawal amount here, well, it will have a different UI. Now, typically, this is what you should be seeing. So in the withdrawal page, you should be able to see your current balance, the minimum withdrawal amount, and also you could choose your payment method. So in this case, you just need to choose the bank transfer option and just provide all necessary details like the amount, account number, the bank, the IFSC code, your first name, last name, and phone and address. Now make sure all of your information here matches your bank and just hit on continue and wait for them to process your request. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.